Welcome to this LinkPoint Connect training video. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use LinkPoint Connect's unique drag and drop functionality to create and update records in Salesforce and Microsoft Outlook. So why use LinkPoint Connect's drag and drop functionality? Many Salesforce users waste time manually entering data throughout their day, or they choose not to enter the information until it is absolutely necessary because they need to use their time to do other tasks. And sometimes they forget to enter the data altogether. LinkPoint Connect is designed with many productivity features in mind, all with the goal of helping Salesforce users remain productive while still getting the necessary information into the CRM. Our drag and drop functionality helps users enter or update data in Salesforce with just a few clicks and minimal end-user effort, all while adhering to any business workflow rules in place within Salesforce. With LinkPoint Connect, users can use the drag and drop functionality to create or update accounts, contacts, and leads in Salesforce, or contacts that only exist in Microsoft Outlook. All of this is done with the simple use of an existing email signature and without the hassle of copy and paste between Outlook and Salesforce. Today, I will walk you through how to create a new record in Salesforce from Outlook, update an existing record in Salesforce from Outlook, and create a new Outlook contact, all using LinkPoint Connect's drag and drop functionality. Let's get started by creating a new record in Salesforce from Outlook. Open Microsoft Outlook. The LinkPoint Connect side panel will automatically appear by default. Select an email from a new contact. Here you can see that the LinkPoint Connect side panel searched Salesforce for the contact and was unable to return a record matching the sender's email address. To add the contact to Salesforce, we will use LinkPoint Connect's drag and drop functionality. But before we create a contact, let's take a look at the LinkPoint Connect side panel drop zone and familiarize ourselves with the available options. At the very bottom of the side panel is the drop zone. Here, users can create new accounts, contacts, or leads in Salesforce, or create contacts in Outlook by highlighting an email signature, dragging the selection to the drop zone, and dropping the content above one of the icons. To use these icons, simply highlight the email signature within the email from the new contact. Drag the highlighted signature to the drop zone at the bottom of the LinkPoint Connect side panel. Drop or release the selection over the record type you want to create. This will launch Salesforce in your internet browser. In this example, we will create a new Salesforce contact. The steps are the same for creating a new Salesforce account or lead. Enter any required or additional information in the Salesforce record. Note that some fields, such as first name or phone number, are pre-populated within Salesforce for you by LinkPoint Connect. However, LinkPoint Connect will not override any existing business rules within your instance of Salesforce. If additional fields are required as part of the contact creation, the user will need to enter the info in order to proceed. Click Save to create the record when you're finished. Return to Microsoft Outlook. Select the email from the new contact and refresh the side panel. Note that the LinkPoint Connect side panel now displays the information from Salesforce. Now let's take a look at how you can update an existing Salesforce record using Active Update. With Active Update, you can quickly see the information that is different between an existing Salesforce record and newly received contact information from an email signature. Select an email from an existing contact. Here you can see that the LinkPoint Connect side panel searched Salesforce for the contact and found a match. However, as you can see, the information displayed in the LinkPoint Connect side panel business card does not appear to match the contact information provided in the email. This is often the case when contacts update their information, change phone numbers, or their business relocates. You can use the same drop zone icons on the LinkPoint Connect side panel to update the information for this contact in Salesforce. Highlight the email signature within the email from the existing contact. Drag the highlighted signature to the drop zone at the bottom of the LinkPoint Connect side panel. Release or drop the selection over the record type you want to update. This will launch the LinkPoint Connect Active Update window. In this example, we will update an existing Salesforce contact. The steps are the same for updating Salesforce accounts or leads. Review the contact information in the Active Update window. LinkPoint Connect will search Salesforce and identify any matching records and list them in the top portion of the window. Here, you can see there is already one matching contact in Salesforce. You can review some record details, such as the account and owner, in the information next to the contact to make sure you are working with the right record before making any changes. Select Create a New Contact to create a new Salesforce record. Confirm the information to include in the new contact record by selecting or deselecting checkboxes for each information field. Or, select an existing contact to update from the list. Select a checkbox for a field to overwrite the existing information in Salesforce with the new information. Deselect a checkbox to keep the existing value in Salesforce. Active Update will display the contact record fields on the left and the existing field values as they appear currently in Salesforce on the right. The middle column shows you whether or not the information from the email signature is new. If the information for a field has not changed, it will display no change. If the details in the email signature are different than the information in Salesforce, the existing Salesforce data will appear in gray and italic with strike-through. The new value will be displayed in orange. If you deselect the checkbox, the original data from Salesforce will be displayed. Once you have finished making your selections, click Apply. This will launch Salesforce in your internet browser. Review the contact information within Salesforce and save the changes. Return to Microsoft Outlook. Select the email from the contact and refresh the side panel. Note that the LinkPoint Connect side panel now displays the updated contact information from Salesforce. The drag and drop functionality also works with Microsoft Outlook contacts. In some cases, users wish to create a contact in Outlook that does not necessarily need to be created within Salesforce. Highlight the email signature within the email from a new contact. Drag the highlighted signature to the drop zone at the bottom of the LinkPoint Connect side panel. Release or drop the selection over the icon to create a new Outlook contact. Review the information on the contact screen within Outlook. Verify the pre-populated information and add any additional details as necessary. Finish editing the contact information and then click the Save and Close button to create the contact. You can also use drag and drop to create a Salesforce contact from your Outlook address book. You can do this from any view option in Microsoft Outlook. Here, I am working with the business card view. Choose the contact you want to add to Salesforce. Simply drag and drop the contact to the drop zone at the bottom of the LinkPoint Connect side panel. Release the selection over the record type you would like to create in Salesforce. This will once again launch Salesforce in your internet browser. Validate the information in Salesforce and save the record. Thank you for taking the time to watch our training video demonstrating how to use LinkPoint Connect's unique drag and drop functionality to create and update records in Salesforce and Microsoft Outlook. Visit linkpoint360.com/kb for additional training resources, including videos, step-by-step instructions, and quick tips. If you are new to LinkPoint 360, you can email sales@linkpoint360.com or call 732-212-8401 to schedule a live demo and access our free product trial.